First, we go to the login page of 360 Proxy. Enter your email and password to successfully log in. Then, navigate to the Personal Center page, locate Socks5 Proxies, and click the Download button to download the 360 Proxy client. After successful installation, open the 360 Proxy client and click the Login button in the upper right corner to log in with your account. Click on the Socks5 Proxy button to enter the proxy list page. Filter by the desired country, state, and city. It also supports searching by zip code, ISP, or selecting a specific IP range. Click Search to retrieve a list of available IPs. From the IP list, select a proxy, right-click your mouse. And choose Forward Port to Proxy as your proxy option. Select the proxy port location to be forwarded in the drop-down list, and complete the IP extraction. Once the IP extraction is successful, click the Port Forward List button below and directly copy the extracted IP address and port. I use the anti-detection browser as an example to demonstrate the configuration. For the proxy method, select Custom. For the proxy type, choose Socks5. Paste the proxy IP you just copied from the 360 Proxy client into the fields for host and proxy port. Click Check Proxy to display the specific IP information, indicating a successful IP connection. Click Confirm to enable normal usage.